Hey everybody, it's Carl here from Apt, and we're going to do an unboxing for you. Now, we got to see these Jaybird runs while we were at CES this past year of 2018, so we're excited to open up the box and see what actually comes with them. So we'll cut this thing open and show you guys what actually is inside. So there's some plastic that runs around on the outside, so we'll cut that open first and then take a look and see what comes in the box. And let's see here, easiest way to do this, you just pull it from the top, and then from there it gets held on by a little magnetic clip, which is a nice touch. And first thing we see is the charging case, and it's got a little button on here that you can push and pop that open, and there the headphones are right on the inside. You can see it does come with some charge on it, those little lights at the top there. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but those are illuminated to indicate that there is some charge on there. So we'll close that up and see what comes in the part below. And here we've got a little carrying case that you can open up. Let's see if that's everything. It's got my finger here. And nothing else inside of there, so we'll throw that off to the side. So we've got a charging cable. This is micro USB. Nothing out of the ordinary there. And then we've got some small ear tips. Some, let's see, small and medium ear tips. And then some of these wings that kind of sit in your ear while you're wearing these, and kind of do a better job of holding them in place while you're involved in activity. And you got a couple of different sizes of those as well. And then underneath here, I think we're going to have just some paperwork and a sticker. So we get a little Jaybird sticker there. We've got some product information. We've got the instruction manual. It's kind of a quick setup guide, a quick start guide there. And we've got warranty information, I think. Let's take a look. And that kind of gives you some instructions on how to use it. It's probably a little too small to read on the camera there, but that is all the paperwork that comes with these headphones. So, a nice looking pair of headphones. Let's take them out so you can actually see what they look like here. Nice and compact, and they actually come with some tips and some of these wings on the side as well, already on the headphones, which you can remove obviously and change them out for the ones that fit you better. But otherwise, that's everything that comes in the box, and we're going to do an overview video on this one as well. So make sure you stay tuned for that. We'll give our thoughts and impressions on what they sound like, kind of how the battery works, and how they fit and everything. So stay tuned for that. As always, we appreciate you guys watching our video, and make sure to subscribe so you get updates every time we post new content.